I'm going to hold your hand when you watch this video, okay? Because I'm going to give you my honest review of the Cambridge IELTS 20 General Training book. For the review of the Cambridge IELTS 20 academic book, I already made my video over here. You can watch it. It's on my channel. For the listening part, you should also watch this video because listening is common between general training and academic. Now let's get back to the general training books, and I'm talking first about the reading part. Now in the reading part, there are two observations that I have made. The first one is about the multiple choice questions. We do not see multiple choice questions here, only single choice questions, unlike in the academic book for the Cambridge IELTS 20. Now, multiple choice questions are questions that allow you to choose more than one choice, and in general, two choices, and each choice would be one question. And single choice questions are questions that allow you to choose only one choice as a correct answer. So we do not see multiple choice questions in this book, which in my opinion is a good thing. My second observation is that even though the topics are common, the questions are challenging. And in my opinion, this book, the reading part, is possibly the most difficult reading tests in the entire Cambridge IELTS series. Now, I'm not saying this to discourage you, but to warn you to be prepared for the higher level of difficulty in your actual exam. So my predictions will come after this, okay? Apart from that, everything else is usual. The writing part and the speaking part are basically just like other books. So now this is my predictions for the IELTS General Training exam from now until July 2026. So I do expect a lot more difficult questions in listening, as I said in the previous video where I reviewed Cambridge IELTS Academic Book number 20. In the reading part, I also maintain my opinion, the same thing as the academic book, that the reading exam will be more difficult and the questions will be more challenging. Now, we don't have to worry about the topics because the topics would be almost the same as before, and everything would be falling into common topics like education or work and entertainment, things like that. But we do have to expect a lot more challenging and confusing questions, and questions that are not straightforward, and we need to read between the lines in the text to answer the questions. This video is not to scare you, but this is reality. We need to face the possibility that the exam is getting more difficult from now on, and it is possible that it will get even more difficult next year. So we really need to have solid strategies and solid preparation before taking the exam to avoid wasting our money and avoid wasting our time. The computerized version of this book is free to take on my website practice9.co, where you also get other Cambridge book tests, imitation tests, tips, and a lot of web apps. I'll see you there. For now, you have fun learning. Bye.